Hey, I am Madhav. In this video, I will briefly describe what my robot is, what is meant to do, and I will also discuss about its design. So, at a time when people are moving to a smartphone based existence and they are exercising control over object, so in that case, my project aims to produce a moving rover. So, this rover, which you are seeing, is a super amazing low cost electronic project, which is the Bluetooth robot car. So first of all, we will gain some knowledge about the components which have been used in the rover. The implementation part is, first of all, I set 4 digital pins to the integer variable. Here the pin number 10th and 12th and 11th and 13th pin are interconnected with each other using the motor driver. Now in the void loop, serial available confirms that if there is any Bluetooth signal, and if there is a signal, then it moves on to the serial lead, where serial lead functions to take the input from the device, that is Bluetooth module connected with it. After this, we provide a few set of parameters that are required for our movement of a robot, that is forward, backward, left, right, stop, forward right, forward left and backward left. Prototype of my robot. As you can see, this is the circuit diagram of my Bluetooth controlled robot. Firstly, I connected 4 DC motors via male-to-male wire to the motor driver. Secondly, I connected 4 digital pins from motor driver to Arduino. This is the main component through which our tires are rotating. Thirdly, I connected Bluetooth module to the Arduino. So here is one trick: we will not directly connect RxD and TXD to the Arduino. We will firstly upload the code to the Arduino, and then the wire of RxD will be replaced by TXD, and the wire of TXD will be replaced by RxD. So the fourth main part is, we will connect 12 volt wire to the battery, and one ground wire to the Arduino, and one 5 volt wire which is the VIN pin, which will also be connected to the Arduino. So this is the basic circuit diagram of my Bluetooth based robot. So anybody can make this robot via seeing this diagram. So instead of LED light, I have connected a buzzer. So this is on our own. We can add infinite features to our robot. So I hope you can understand the basic connections of a Bluetooth based robot. We will open the app, and afterwards we will connect to the car and can check if it's working or not. So first of all, we will on the switch. We will connect it to the car HC05. So it is just the prototype of my robot. I will add some more features such as voice controller, by which it can be controlled by voice. Also dimension, by which it can move only in certain areas. It can also sense humidity and temperature, and my rover can also be used in the hospitals for the sick people to whom it is advised to be in certain range of temperature. So that was all from my side. I hope you enjoyed the video.